fidget spinners, hand spinners. It's all gone viral already. After like I don't know, a month, these things have been out. Today we have a TurboSpinner, spin it, twist it, be amazed. So at the back it says, spin it, twist it, show your skills. The amazing TurboSpinner. So we're going to be unboxing this. Welcome to Unbox Therapy and TechSmart, whatever the hell. And yeah, today, so just opens really quickly, just a cardboard little thing with the plastic here. Alright, so just by the feels of it, it isn't as good as just the plain old, the better ones that you get from other shops. We just got this from Dolls and Cents. And it's a bit like more plasticky, but I can tell you I'm already addicted. I'm gonna use this all the time, really. Yes. Whoa. Oh. Yeah, this is cool. Spin it. Balance it. And yeah, it's really cool. There's a little bit of paint. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's like went over. That doesn't really affect anything. Yeah. I'm stunned, really. It's not as good quality. So with like the made quality of this thing, probably give it like 4 out of 10. It's not very good. Let's turn on autofocus. Probably like a 4 out of 10, but the overall, like how addicting this is and like how fun, probably like a 7, probably an 8 out of 10. I will be using this, like when I'm editing this video, I would be using this. So fun. See if we can do a trick here. Alright, thumb. Let's do this with my right hand. Thumb. Grab. Thumb. Thumb. Pointer. Grab. So yeah, I'll be practicing with this a lot. I'm going to take this to school tomorrow. Everyone will just want to use it because I have a lot of friends that take theirs to school. I'm going to take mine to school for maybe a couple days. And yeah, I was going to bring my vlogging camera to school, this one right here, but I didn't because I was actually only wanting to bring it so then I could like vlog the experience buying these things. So yeah, I didn't actually like read this or unbox it at all until I actually made this video. So all I seen was spin it, twist it, be amazed, TurboSpinner. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments what you guys think about the hand spinners, and tell me what type of fidget spinner do you have, or do you not have one? Have you ordered one, or whatever? I got a TurboSpinner, and I got the black ones. So there were a range of colors to choose from. I picked black. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video.